In this segment, we're going to show you how to web a Royal Sovereign Cold 55 or 65-inch laminator. First, what we need to do is get our roll of lamination film. You'll see on your lamination film that you have a release liner on one side of your film and your laminate on the other. The way you put the laminate onto your laminator, on the supply, you want your adhesive that's on your laminate to come down on the back side with your release liner to the front. This way, when the film comes over the rollers, your adhesive will not be touching the rollers. We need to remove the supply shaft off the back of the laminator by lifting off the one side and pulling it out from the other side. What we have are two auto grips that are on the shaft that we want to make sure will be positioned inside the core of the roll of lamination film. We insert the supply shaft into the core of the film and slide it all the way through to the other side. Next, we go back to the back of the laminator, take our supply shaft, hook it into the one side, and drop the other side down into the slot. Now we come to the front of the laminator. What we're going to do is open up the gap on the rollers so that we have maximum gap on the top roller. From there, we'll take a sacrificial piece of material and place it in between the nip of the two rollers. Next, we'll take our film, bring it underneath the idler bar and into the nip of the rollers. We want to make sure that our sacrificial piece of material is centered with the roll of laminate. Now we'll come down and drop these rollers down so they meet each other. The next step we want to make sure is that we're taut all the way across here and we don't have any gapping. You can see this side is a little bit loose, this side is a little bit tight. So we're going to open up our rollers and we're going to adjust this side so it's a little taut and drop it back down. Next, we're going to take a pair of scissors and score the release liner on the back side. We'll take our scissors and separate the release liner from the film. We're going to hit the run button on the laminator until we have enough release liner to tape on to the release liner take-up shaft. Now we'll take some film, tape, and we're going to tape our release liner in 3 spots to the take-up core. Now we're ready to laminate.